Hello students, in this video we will discuss about equation of a plane when normal of plane and distance of plane from origin is given, and in the next language we will say that equation of a plane in normal form. First we draw a plane in the coordinate system, rectangular coordinate system. Suppose this is a plane. This is a plane A, B and C. This plane in 3D, X, O, Y and Z. Suppose this is the end and this is the distance of this plane from O, and distance between this point from origin is small d. Now take another point P, arbitrary point P, whose coordinate is X, Y and Z. Position vector of this point P with respect to R, with respect to O, this will be R vector. So in this situation, NP and ON will be perpendicular if NP dot ON is equal to 0. Now we write here ABC is a plane and ON is the normal, and its distance from origin is D. Now what will be ON vector? That is position vector of ON, that is ON vector equal to D dot D into N cap, where N cap is the unit vector of normal ON, a normal of plane. ON equal to DN, DN cap. Since P means X, Y, Z is an arbitrary point, with position vector R vector. Since ON is the normal and P point lie in this plane, therefore ON and NP will be perpendicular. Since P point lie in plane, therefore and ON is normal, therefore NP dot ON equal to 0 by the condition of two vectors are perpendicular. Since NP is equal to NP, that means OP minus ON. OP minus ON means NP equal to position vector of NP equal to position vector of P minus position vector of N. This will be position vector of P with respect to O. This is the R vector minus position vector of ON. ON means here write D dot N cap. D dot N cap. This is the NP. Now putting the value of NP and ON in equation first. Therefore, from first, on the place of NP we write here R minus D dot N cap dot ON. ON means D N cap is equal to 0. Since there are two factors, first is R minus D dot N cap is equal to 0 or D equal to 0. Since D never 0 because D is the distance between O and N. That means this is the distance of that plane from the origin, never 0. Therefore, this will be R vector minus D N cap dot N vector is equal to 0. This will be R dot N cap minus D dot N cap dot N cap. This will be 0, or this is the N cap square, and as you know that square of any unit vector gives us 1. Means since N cap dot N cap, this will be 1. Therefore, R dot N cap is equal to, minus D equal to 0, or R dot N cap is equal to D. And this relation is known as equation of a plane in normal form. Now, if you want to find the equation of a plane in normal form in the Cartesian form, then how to change or how to find with the help of this vector equation, we will study in next video.